Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Eba Melodies TV so. A year chairman wound to me was sending strong warning to NPP MPB. Currently no the MP for Fomena. Na me den something in abeto dwa na mwati ase na answer ebeto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell ne so. We understand latest news we about wonsa ebeka. Ma member mun kai say we have a WhatsApp group Ghana for dodo na omombo abroche na ajoin eya na we discuss matters. Eto de bia we discuss matters over there. Na ye de ababa to YouTube. Into person join the group now. The link to the group is in the description box. We are a family. Obe to me click na wa join a group no. Say aside that, open say what share we join on this particular matter or any other matter. Your number at the screen now say obe to me as sending voice recording and now say obe sending text. Embrebe mo will reply. Eya na to the bia text ne dos into what send text na and a voice recording ni boy ya bebo embrebe mo eya na it's that much. Yen kon sem ni mu. Now, let me give you a background on this particular story so that people will understand what's going on. A year MPP 2016, one of Ashanti region, Ashanti region, they only MPP for strongholds. Into one of the constituency, I friend Fomena. Now, Fomena MP 2016, and I say we win this seat. Now, your friend Andrews Amoakon Esiama. He won that seat in 2016. Surprisingly, 2020 MPP for Eco primaries no, he didn't contest. So a lot of people were speaking. Maybe more can say, oh, because one say Embrana primaries no airbaso no. Chairman Wood to me or yeah wow. Into maybe more can say, we Chairman Wood to me na. Just say one man won and some one contested. Chairman Wood to me na we in a scene. Just say Sembebre. Nankro for Ekan. But surprisingly, he didn't contest. Even though he's currently the MP for Fomena, a year parliament, no, there will be a new person because Mama Wati has said Ashanti region or Agwakwa is a voter region. Some of the constituencies, as far as you win the primaries, automatically you've won the general election because we the then region constituencies be what Sebi previous all the boy is in the name of a year Ashanti region kana it will win. Oko voter region so the same thing. O the boy AC baby in the name of a year NDC in Kwana, it will also win. Intino Fomena is one of, I think it's one of those constituencies in Ashanti region. Inti Embra Andrews Amoakon Esiama one standing for 2016 no. And one Ankrofo who say, oh, the new person awabe automatically or no and awabeko. Now, you better say election eba no. Posters of a year Andrews Amoakon Esiama, who is currently the MP, but 2020 he will stand no. You want to say posters of himself, will chrome as independent candidate. Social media and so on post here. Almost say, hey, Andrew say as independent too. Andrew say so a lot of people were speaking about it. A lot of people were talking about it. And you see, Bibisa Abana is MPP for and now so because what happens and they say yes and the patrono work on the ticket of MPP. And so it is the MPP obviously who voted for him to win. And then so about as independent the NDC people normally and usually no, you don't expect the NDC people to vote for him. Meaning say they make an it happens everywhere. NDC so sa it will show constituency be nebia NDC ni and they win this constituency no. Na ebia nipa kro no primaries wababa beluso no woyese wo ko independent eya na affect NDC vote it wo hwe bibisa na eya na MPP for no beba be wini it constituency be say no MPP for wo candidate or new candidate at 2020 won na wo wini because that constituency no wo ye the MPP ne be wini. Now former candidate on the ticket of MPP so I na adwen say won also ever standing on that particular in that particular constituency. So the only people that he would draw is the MPP people to be reducing MPP for one votes. And no, and a chairman want to me say, hey, one no, ye ba Ashanti regional MPP ni na ye ne dia. It is so about tenacity ama wobi ama MPP anime guase ewo constituency bi ewo Ashanti region nanka wakea. And you see, I'll talk about Chairman Wontumi. A lot of people, even including myself, we bash Chairman Wontumi, we criticize him on some of his utterances. But and then I'll tell you something about Chairman Wontumi and Mimi Hunde say it is a very big asset for MPP. MPP, for whatever they will do to keep someone like Chairman Wontumi in their party, they should do. People like Chairman Wontumi and Kennedy Japan, these two people, yes, we sit on this channel and we criticize them on some of the things they do. But when it comes to politics, say Basso or more politics, I can tell you, say they are very good in politics. Even though a lot of people view Chairman Wontumi as a very, and people also young who say one cool school. So Ayana, they will disrespect him. But Uyobia, who steady in Yama, Obe say, hey, one more cool school, one more politics, Nekrana, Chairman Wontumi even understands politics than them. It's asam when they see Chairman Wontumi ababontin, sema wo de betu dwane. Wase wo to MPP ni biafo. Muntie. Wase wo to MPP ni biafo. Se election si. Se wonnim se wo person was standing on the ticket of a year independence here, and now person standing on independent candidate. Jai nafa wa honde ebe tie MPP because if you are standing as independent, the MPP will treat you as an opposition because obviously you are opposition. Because what the whole banner say, what about the MPP 4 votes? So maybe anaka NDC akwako we need our seats no. Into woman share Emasa Dinisi Mekai Tema West a very long time. That time na mankasa me papa. Mekaso me papa because that time no na me kwane ho wo boa ye ne nyama loyedu. Lawyer Oseyedu, say that time at a point in time he was even the majority leader. Tema West, Embrebi by Natoshi Ebitu ni free idea so. Mekai Natoshi Betu Loyedu free idea so no. I think say in the camp of Loyedu no, people were telling him to go for independence. But the MPP came to Loyedu and advised him because Tema West hono whatever we hear the name constituency hall okosroba from a MPP ne wini. It is a Loyedu standing as independent. Naka dia war ye and they say NDC for they are still voting for the NDC candidates. It's naka dia Loyedu and they say wo be check MPP for votes nimu, which will make NDC win. So mo dey say a very long time ago. Asem we are making over 10 years. Loyedu nasem. Now, this is the same thing happening here. And a Chairman Wontumi aba abonten e kasa na asem a Chairman Wontumi e kan say sa Fomena constituency one kasa no aban e na ayade because ohwa e bia de enti ankrofo be yo maje so meto ama MP no current MP now was standing as independent no and say wayade e wo krom ho but Chairman Wontumi say enye MP ni sika no de ye ade na ye MPP government ene ma na ye ade no nti se wo contest here no contest on the ticket of ade a waye e wo krom ho na it is not right. The MPP for be ya womo ebema sebe wombe dealing with onono they will do and they will deal with him. I want to believe Chairman Wontumi speaking in political language say we will deal with you in the sense say ebia enye say ebia etutura asem because obi kwaka say I'll deal with you and no be na dey Kennedy Japan akwaka ne ho aba asemi. So I want to believe say that I will deal with you now Chairman Wontumi kano it is a political language e pese trese masa Yebema will lose. That's what I want to believe. So Chairman Wontumi saying that the project in Fomena it belongs to MPP and not the MP for Fomena. Into one more bema nkrofo ehu. Say one more MPP na aye adwuma wo krom ho. Na enye MP no MP ne de he was just on the ticket of MPP. And as he say ayasesa no. So this is what is happening. So this is why Chairman Wontumi is speaking on the Fomena MP. What won the Fomena MP no? Now, let me go on why I'm saying say Ghana has say Chairman Wontumi, people like Chairman Wontumi, they are assets. Sure? This is purely political. Asem we are making here based on politics. For a very long time, I've said this. People insult him, people do this, but Chairman Wontumi won't. He's extremely intelligent. And that's the truth I'll tell you. Man, high school now, one corner, brofo now want to know. Forget about brofo now, chema want to me want to know. Basse MPP Ashanti region, Wamumbu Ejuma, chema want to me what the plans go from, now was it, what cost rubber from, I can tell you for a fact. One of NDC, and you see NDC so mebo omo abaso kakra e wo be nyama bia me nso me hu so omo aye obekaya me be read letter bi brel me read letter bi tremo twi be na making me read letter bi tremo somewhere around last 2 months the youth NDC youth and now omo Ashanti region extra letter e koma NDC mpanyifo say ade a chairman want to me ye e wa Ashanti region no wo mo anhwe ni ye a NDC masa wo mo anhwe ni ye a wo mo target a wo mo asset no from because chairman want to me will play whether it is dirty whether it is or not there the one can say NPP will come out top hwe NDC seats wo mo wini e wa Ashanti region ba kon de bi o mo wini e ye Muntaka seat asonwase Embra wo mo ye voters registration no hwe de chairman want to me ye wo ho he made sure says that seat no confusion eba ho and that me no ka say and that me no ka say as I was ho no NDC youth activists are wakasama NDC pan e wo ho enne Embra wo be Embra chi o se de na me hu ne press conference wa ba bonten aba be ye press conference a wo tre say with defective from NDC to MPP and this person was a strong youth activist for NDC. Ewo asawase ho no. Nina, I believe say nina plans are chairman want to me ase. He is doing everything possible to make NPP win all the constituencies in Ashanti region. Look at what is happening in Ejura. Also one of the seats are NDC winning Ashanti region. Look at the confusion over there. I'm telling you, if it comes to politics, this chairman to me guy, he is very smart. He is the type of person about dirty works in Yamana. He's the type of person every politician will like in his camp. But some people, like he's painted, say, will you be a won like as a won school and abibi. And you see, for a very long time, Mimi Tieno. I can't HM grow for say about the politics. Forget chairman to me is very intelligent. Na Nanseya woko interview ewo Good Evening Ghana. I think it's the last month or the last 2 months. Now after the interview no asemwa po Adomotri kan no he was shocked. Po Adomotri was journalist no he was even shocked. In fact after the interview no lawyers send a message e ka say hey chairman want to me amaye hu say what edwuma na say. Na wo ko share say interview na be hu dey say hey e ba chairman want to me politics forget it. Eni ye beka tell say sebe sikeni obi wo sika na tell say wonji mi ye about politics forget about school no forget about the prof na ya nkrofo sere no about politics on the grounds chairman want to me say Ashanti region ho no me nya sure say obi beba ba betu no he puts plan in place and then you say wo kwa say na me din ka tell no wo kwa NDC for constituency to Ashanti region ukwa wo mo register na numbers ni so atete and it was a plan chairman want to me put in place strict vigilance because he believes say ye dey nkrofo eba be shame but one penny and MPP for some of places no so increase here. I am telling you this, those of you who monitor politics very well, you know. So this thing chairman want to me is doing, it is also a political move because he knows deep down said the former MP no was stand there. Hey, a MPP for never lost into a babonting about the kasa and manipakuno warning. Say, hey, unim na ukwa. Masa, we will deal with you. Yabema we level. Chema want to mean so young obia masa or kasan grofuti you. So you see what he's doing right now. And let me say this. NDC for youth no trust our letter no, and I'm also saying one proactive thing I mean say NDC for so because you see say chairman want to me agenda and then more you see more things I better say chairman want to me or you very smart So I want to me radio station now. Wababesi, I can tell you for a fact this is here. Yeah, one of the radio stations are in Crawford 8 year pan. You want to me. The radio station said this year na me radio station any TV station enka. But see what he did. What the sika ekwafa nkrofo a wo mokasa wo radio so wo commercial a yetie wo mo. And odi o mo betu radio station so and there no pe bia usori a even Sunday radio station men na sports. Usori a radio station Twitter won to me sports na trendy. Won to me na trendy. Nini na ayadino ayanyansa and so radio station as isi awenya no wakwatena so a mo amuhu nsem a waka would degrade NDC here and there. Nini na aye move. Me say if you really study Chairman to me, you see say he's one of the finest MPP politicians. He's one of the finest. I am not talking about maybe the things he's doing is morally right or the things he's doing. I'm not talking maybe they are morally right or morally wrong. I'm just talking about politics. What's the politics there? If I couldn't hear dirty works and good works, I'm just talking about the politics, the political side. Chairman to me is one of the finest politicians in MPP. And if you listen to him speak, the way Wakofasem, he is one of the biggest propagandists. And in politics, no, they don't see propaganda as a bad thing. In politics, propaganda, because so here NDC Krano, they didn't have a communication office or office now. It was a propaganda office, and now one best son. Until what in politics, no, propaganda is something that is an asset. Asemba, say they will to me whining, breaking it down. Amount of 40 years here. Now I link Mahama. Because an African croffagia to say Mahama Nekoyes Adieno. That is Chairman to me. And that is propaganda. And that is an asset as a political party. So those who study, so we won't study here, forget, who they forget it about school now one corner and try to listen to Chairman to me, try to see his strategic points. Chairman to me, what Babontia, what be strategy say, we'll be making sure that the number of people who will register in Ashanti region about more than 3 million. Experts came out to say that there is no way that will be possible. And that may not say. For Ashanti region, more than 3 million people have been registered. Plans are what they do are going. Now, Embra na wama at the question no. Now still wama NDC for strongholds no. Wamo numbers no esuit you. Hey. So this thing you don't know. Which one do you comment box anymore? But that's it.